So if you live in a place where you have dark corners in your yard, but you don't have any power there to correct that, well, today we're going to be testing out this solar powered street light. You can just mount this on a pole. It's going to charge all day and give you light all night long. And it even has motion detection on it, so you can have it in a dim mode or even have it turn off, and then when somebody walks up, it turns on. Very, very cool. So let's go ahead, open it up, see what we get, see what it looks like, and then we're going to install it. And then we're going to come back tonight and see how well it works. So let's do it. All right, so here's the street light right here. We're going to open this thing up real quick, see what's all in here, and then we're going to go pole mount this on the side of the house so we can come back tonight and see how well it works. First thing you're going to see is a user manual. You got this big hardware bag. It's going to have all the tools and hardware that you need to not only put the light together, but to also mount it on the wall if you need to, or to pole mount it. And then here and there is the actual light itself. So we're going to go ahead and get this plastic off. I just threw the remote control. I'll show you the remote control real quick while it's still daylight. It'll be easier for you to see. This is your remote control, about as simple as it gets. You have your motion detect, you have a brightness button, you have a 2-hour, 4-hour, and 6-hour timer, and you have off. Not too complicated there. This is the solar panel side. When you flip your light over, you can see all these LED panels that are going to give you a ton of light. You have a manual off and on switch, and then this is your sensor that's going to detect motion to either kick the light on and off or to kick it on bright or dim. So how cool is that? Also in the side, this is your mounting pole right here. It comes pre-installed, it looks like. So all you got to do is slide it out until you line the hole up, and then we'll just drop a bolt through there. Here's a little wrench they give you. You just stick the nut in that little recess right there, and then we're going to hold the nut. We're going to slide this through, screw it in, just like so. And now we have our pole bracket. And this is the two different ways that you can actually mount this light. You can either just flush mount this part right here straight to a wall using these 4 anchors, or you can use these 4 bolts, which is what we're going to do. And we're going to pole mount this, and you take this bracket and put it on like this. So you slide your pole through here and then use these to tighten the bracket up, clamping the light into place. So we're going to go ahead and prep this for our install. And now we're ready to slide our pole in to tighten this up and mount it. So let's go ahead and go mount this thing. And then we're going to come back tonight and see how bright it is. Okay, so here we have our pole and here we have our light. And you're just going to slide the bracket over the pole. And we just have to tighten these 4 nuts up, flip it over so we can tighten the other side up. Tighten it up with a wrench. Nice and tight. All right, so now this is mounted to the pole. Now all we need to do is we're going to take the light, we're going to stand our pole up. And I like to mount mine right here on the side of this fence so it lights up my gate at night. I'm just using tie straps. Now you can mount this to different poles, any wall. Everything is provided that you need to mount this. You can put this up as high as 20, 25 feet in the air. And of course, the higher that you mount it, the more light coverage you're going to get. We'll go over all the specs and details tonight when the light is lit up, as far as how bright it is and how long it'll run for. Answer all those questions that you may have. Just like that, we're fully installed. Let's take a look at it real quick. Here's our light mounted up on the pole. You can see where the bracket is attached right there. And it's a very clean looking light. So all we have to do now is we're going to come back tonight once it gets dark and see how well this thing works. All right, so here we are. It is now nighttime. Our street light is installed. We're going to turn this thing on and see how much it helps. And check this thing out. We just turned nighttime into daytime. Very, very cool. I love these solar powered street lights just for the fact that you don't need power and you can put them anywhere and you're going to get plenty of light from them. Now what we're going to do is we're going to activate the motion sensor. We're going to give it a little time and see how long it takes to turn off. I'm standing here very, very still waiting for it to shut off. So it's 20 seconds and you can see it went down to a dim mode. And then let's move. Maybe, oh, there it goes. It got us. So motion detection does work, and it's a very nice, very bright light. Now to go over some of the quick specs of this light. So fully charged, it is 12 to 15 hours of light. It is a 15-watt panel. It is a 15,000 mAh battery. It takes 6 to 8 hours to charge. It will light up to 2,700 square feet, 480 LEDs. The color temperature is between 6,500 and 7,000 K. It is IP66 waterproof, and you can install it between 16 and 26 feet. So how cool is that? Let's trip it again, just like that. So it's really great for those dark spots in the yard. I use it, like I said, to light up my gate. It helps the kids when they got to take the trash out. And overall, a great device to have just because it adds safety as well. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.